So someone's now in a position where they're starting a new relationship with a trading partner. It's their first go. What do you suggest that they do? How do they prioritize their sort of decision making so that they don't slow down their relationship with this new client, but they also kind of, you know, think about how this is going to impact their business?
So typically what I tell anybody that's a new to this is I say to them, listen, what do we have to do to comply?
Mm-hmm.
We got to do the things that are mandatory to comply. Let's narrow fit and focus on that. All the other noise down the road. Well, if we don't have to do 855s as of right now, we're not doing 855s. If you don't have to do ASNs right now, don't do ASNs. Like, don't add complexity to what you're trying to do. Let's narrow fit. That's really what I do with them is I get them to focus on what's in front of them and not all the miscellaneous. Oh, well, this is optional. You can do this. We would really love for you to do that. Okay, cool. Let's get the main part going that we have to do, and then let's bring the other stuff in once we get that functioning and working correctly.
It's like, when you're establishing a relationship with a friend or, girlfriend or boyfriend in the beginning, or a partner, or, your husband or wife to be, you're not going all in day one. No, you're taking things step by step. Hey, what can I do today in order to get us, into a relationship 6 months, 1 year, 2 years down the line? Here are the minimum requirements. All right, you better believe I'm going to do those minimum requirements extremely well. Yep. In a year, let's get back together and see how we could do better business. And let's start adding some of those miscellaneous items so that we could do, better business together. Yeah. So it's the same idea. You don't want to go all in when you don't have to, because then your costs are going up. Your operations are shifting overnight because all of a sudden you have to treat like 6 EDI documents that you didn't have to yesterday. And you don't even know what kind of business is coming your way yet. Yeah. So exactly. So it's a step-by-step thing.